What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This quick little update here is for the YouTube raffle I'm doing right now. Sorry I'm looking so rough. I haven't had my hair cut in a long time, but I hope you guys are doing well. Just want to do a quick update video for you. Tomorrow is going to be an update video on the raffle for the 63 Impala. If you're not aware of what that is, I got a 63 Chevy Impala up for grabs. It's got a chameleon paint job that changes 6 different colors. It's got a black top on it. So you literally have 7 different colors on the car. It's a color for each day of the week, pretty much. So that car is up for grabs. With the purchase of the shirt for my channel on YouTube, you get a ticket towards the vehicle. You can win that vehicle, and it's free delivery on the vehicle. Also, with that vehicle, I just had something delivered, which is going to be included at no extra charge. Again, the car is going to be delivered for free to the winner, and this is what you're going to get. This is some of what you're going to get for entering to win this car. So check this out real quick. Shout out to Hoppos for hooking this up. And just so there's no miscommunication or confusion on any of this stuff, this was not free, this was not donated, it wasn't discounted or anything like that from Hoppos. I paid out of pocket. For anyone who wants some proof, I got the invoices right here. So we're looking at, let's focus in on this here. Okay, that's not $2.74, that's $2,074, and this invoice from them here, $310. So just a rundown of what you're getting on this kit here. Got your pumps here. Look at the gears, chrome cylinders, 8-inch front, 14 back, deep cup up front, cups in the back, power balls. Now there's no coils in here because I wasn't sure how the winner was going to do this setup as far as if it's going to be a hopper or what, but coils are going to be up to you. But I got everything else here, but there's more stuff that's not shown here that's going to be included. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow. But like I said though, shout out to Hoppos, man. I told them what I was doing. You know, I'm really trying to bring the unity back in the community here, trying to help somebody get a step closer to their dream car. You know, these Impalas are they're getting up there in price. They really are. So, you know, for someone who's trying to get into this and, you know, do something with it, it's pretty difficult. It's pretty difficult just getting the car, let alone getting this stuff to throw in there too. So, big shout out to Hoppos for helping me put this order together. Alex, I really appreciate it, man. Alex threw in some stickers here. Check that out. So we got some stickers. Got the keychains here. Some of these got the bottle opener in the back so you can open up your adult beverages. Look at that, look at that. Very slick, very slick. Got the Hoppos shirts here. Thank you again, Alex, man. Thank you so much. Happy belated birthday to Art also. Here's the chrome cylinders. Again, 14-inch in the back. That was the longest you could do chrome on their website. So you got 14 in the back, and I did 8 up front. These caps right here are the 3 caps for the 3 pumps. Now these caps are vented, so it's not sealed, so you can help with the cooling. But yeah, 3 pumps here, and the bearings for those caps in there. I got power balls for you wrapped up right there. And oh, my box cutter. But yeah, your fittings, your solenoids, your dumps, hoses, everything. The switch box. Also got this sweet Hoppos engraved plate, switch plate here. Again, front, back, corner, corner. 4 switch setup. Hoppos engraved. Look at that. Nice engraved Y block right there. So you can send that fluid to the front. Stunt on everybody. Your family, your friends, your neighbors, your co-workers, your ex. Stunt on everybody. Compliments of Rah-ffle and the beautiful people at Hoppos for keeping this going and making everybody shine. So, all right, guys, that's it for me though. Again, I apologize for my appearance. I have not cut my hair in a long time, but stay tuned for this guy in the back. Going to be getting up under that one real soon, doing some work and pulling that out for summertime. It's going to be real fun stuff coming up for that one. And back here, for those that haven't seen it, it's the other Malibu G-body in the house. We're going to do some serious G-body shuffle for 2020 this summer. Stay tuned for that. So all right, guys, here. But thank you so much for all the support, you guys. I really appreciate it. Everyone who's new to the channel and subscribed recently and just has been a part of everything going on with helping this channel grow. Like I said before, I'm giving back. You know, this is from me to you guys, and This is it's all love. It's all love. We need unity out here more than anything right now, and this is just my share towards that. It doesn't matter what race you are, what your background is, how much money you make, anything like that. We definitely got to come together and get this stuff back on track, guys. So doing my part, all I ask is for whoever wins this to enjoy it, build it, and drive it, and have fun, and just keep the positivity going, and to help the next person out. So, all right, guys, you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on YouTube. That's Rah-ffle, Rahffree, and we'll see you then. All right, guys. Message me for any questions on entering the raffle on how to win this car. The drawing is going to be June 20th on Saturday. Last date to enter is going to be June 19th. So, all right, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.